In today's video, we're going to be doing a skyscraper math problem, and this problem consists of two friends and one epic math problem. So let's get started with our problem statement. And on the right here, you can see this is an image of our problem statement, so we can also follow along using this image. So our problem statement says, you are a block away from a skyscraper that is 780 feet tall. Your friend is between the skyscraper and yourself. So here we can see in the image that we're standing in this point, our friend is standing in between us, and the base and the height of the skyscraper is 780 feet tall. And then the angle of elevation from your position to the top of the skyscraper is 42 degrees, and from your friend's position it is 71 degrees. So this angle of elevation here is 42 degrees, and this angle of elevation here is 71 degrees. And now we need to find out how far you are from your friend. So this is our problem statement, and feel free to pause the video to try to solve this by yourself. Okay, so now let's get into our solution. So for our solution, let's first understand what the problem is actually telling us. So first of all, we're just going to name the letter H as the 780 feet, so the height of the skyscraper. So the height of the skyscraper is from the top to the base, so this length here is 780 feet. And then next, we're going to say X is the distance between you and the base of the skyscraper. So the X is equal to from here, you, to the base of the skyscraper, so this whole distance is equal to X. And then Y is equal to the distance between you, your friend, and also the base of the skyscraper. So this length here is Y. So from the base of the tower to your friend. So that would be Y. And then D is equal to the distance between you and your friend. So between you and your friend, it is equal to X minus Y. So this is how we can understand the problem for the solution. And now for step number 2, we need to find our distance to the skyscraper. So first we're going to find out the distance from us to the skyscraper, and then after that we're going to find out the distance from our friend to the skyscraper, and then we can just subtract those two and we can find out the answer from how close we are to our friend. So to find out the distance between us and the skyscraper, we need to use the tangent function to find x. And the tangent function is equal to the opposite divided by the base, and in this case it would be h divided by x. And since we know that the angle of elevation is 42, so that means tan 42 will be equal to h divided by x in this case. And once we isolate x by itself, that means x will be equal to h divided by tan 42, and we get approximately 866.3 feet. So now that we know the distance of us to the base of the tower, now let's find out for our friend to the base of the tower. So this is for step number 3. And we're going to use the tangent function again to find the value of y. And for the value of y, we already know that this angle of elevation is 71. So we're going to do tan 71 is equal to h divided by y in this case. And once we isolate y by itself, we get y is equal to h divided by tan 71. And in this case, we get approximately 268.6 feet. And now since we have the distance between us and the skyscraper and also our friend to the skyscraper, we can just do x minus y, which is for step number 4, and how we can find the distance between us and our friend. So the distance d is x minus y. So d is equal to 866.3 subtracted by 268.6, which is equal to 597.7 feet, and we can round that up to 598 feet. So that means we are approximately 598 feet away from our friend. And that's it for this problem on this skyscraper problem. So thank you so much for watching. Try to be useful, and we'll see you guys in our next video.